Hey everyone, Kendall Davis here, VP of Sales and Realtor with the Neal team out of San Antonio, Texas. One of the first questions agents usually ask when they're thinking about joining a team is, what's the split? And that makes sense. Commission structures definitely matter. But after being in this business for a while, I can tell you with a lot of confidence that the split alone is rarely what determines whether an agent succeeds long-term and how much money they actually make. So today, I want to talk through what I think agents should really be looking for when they're evaluating a team, beyond just the bottom line. First, real support, not just a title. Every team says they offer support. What you want to understand is what that actually looks like day to day. Ask questions like, who do I call when something goes sideways? Is there help during contract to close? Will I have an assigned mentor or someone to hold me accountable? The right team doesn't just exist when things are going well, they show up when things get messy. Good training helps you get through transactions. Great training helps you build confidence and independence. You want to be somewhere that teaches you how to problem solve, how to communicate with clients, how to handle situations without freezing or second guessing yourself. The goal isn't to stay dependent on a team forever, it's to grow because of the team. A model that makes sense long term. This one is huge. Ask yourself, does this business model still work for me in 5 years? You want a team that encourages you to build your own sphere, grow referral relationships, create a pipeline you actually own. And if everything is about short-term production with no long-term vision, that's something to really think about. Let's talk about leads, because they do matter. This is something I think gets misunderstood a lot. Being on a team with leads flowing into it can be incredibly valuable, even if your goal is to build mostly a referral-based business. Leads give you momentum. They help fill gaps when things get slow. They create consistency while you're building your long-term pipeline. The key is this: leads should not be one pillar of your business. It shouldn't be the whole thing. A strong team helps you use leads strategically, not rely on them forever. A culture that actually supports growth. Culture isn't just team events or group chats. It's how people treat each other. It's how leadership communicates. It's whether you feel encouraged to grow or pressured to perform. You should feel supported, respected, and challenged in a healthy way. Leadership you trust and learn from. Leadership matters more than most agents realize. You want leaders who are transparent, who communicate clearly, who have actually been where you're trying to go, and who care about your long-term success, not just this year's numbers. The right leadership creates clarity, and clarity creates confidence. Systems that make your life easier. Strong teams build systems so agents don't have to reinvent the wheel, and they can just plug and play. That might include transaction coordination, drip campaigns, lead management systems, and technology that actually works. Good systems save time. They reduce stress and allow you to focus on serving clients and growing relationships. Splits matter, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. The right team should help you grow faster and bigger without burning out. It should help you learn skills that last and build a business that you actually own. When you look beyond splits and start asking better questions, you set yourself up for a much stronger career long term. If you're interested in how the Neal model works, reach out to us today. We would love to share how we aren't the typical team. Thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.